Come on, come on. Ow. Ow, ow, ow.
Is it actually hurting?
Yeah, he was biting like on my cuticle area. Come on.
That hurt.
Oh my god, I hope I got that.
I just saw him fly near you. I kind of.
They got on his head.
Oh, I don't think I saw it on her head. There we go. He's a bird magnet. Ow, ow! They're getting a little rough. They want to go on mommy now.
No, I don't want to.
Oh, Daddy's got all of them. Oh no.
Holy crap! Ow, ow, ow! That was a little rough on the end. Oh crap! Here, you can turn it off or something, or hold it. I can't.
Okay.
Get my face in there.
I do.
Holy crap! Ow! He bit my beard. Arr.
Hey.